If you want to set up an SSL certificate on GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. SSL is important because it helps secure your website, protect your visitors' data, and make your site look more trustworthy in browsers. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, sign into your GoDaddy account using the email and password connected to your hosting plan. Once you are logged in, go to My Products, then find your Web Hosting section and click Manage. This is where you can access the hosting tools connected to your website. Next, look for the hosting plan you want to work on and click Manage beside it. This will open the hosting dashboard for that specific plan. From here, you need to open cPanel because that's where the SSL tools are located for many GoDaddy hosting accounts. Once cPanel opens, scroll down until you find the Security section. In that section, click SSL/TLS Status. This area shows the current SSL status for the domains connected to your hosting account, so it's the main place where you can check whether your certificate is active or still being processed. Now select your domain name from the list. If you have more than one domain or subdomain connected, make sure you choose the correct one. This is an important step because the SSL certificate needs to be applied to the exact domain you want to secure. After selecting the domain, click Run AutoSSL or AutoSSL Status, depending on what you see in your cPanel interface. GoDaddy and cPanel can sometimes label things slightly differently, but the goal is the same. You want to start the automatic SSL scan so the system can detect your domain and install the certificate. At this point, all you need to do is wait. AutoSSL may take a few minutes to scan your domain, verify the setup, and install the certificate automatically. During this process, the system checks your hosting configuration and applies the secure certificate if everything is set up correctly, so be patient and let it finish. Once the process is completed, you should see a message that says SSL Active, or you may see a green padlock status next to your domain. That means your website is now using a secure SSL certificate. If you refresh your website in the browser, you should also notice the secure lock icon in the address bar once the certificate has fully propagated. If the certificate does not show active right away, give it a little more time and refresh the page again. In some cases, DNS changes or server updates can take a bit to fully update. If you still do not see SSL Active after waiting, double-check that you selected the correct domain and that your hosting plan supports AutoSSL. And that's it. Your GoDaddy SSL setup is complete. You've now secured your website and taken an important step toward protecting your visitors and improving trust. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.